Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery from your Ford Cougar remote key. First step, you can see in your heads-up display the battery is empty. First step, take your keys and then you have to disassemble two parts. First, that means you have the key itself and the cover of it. And after this, you will need a flat screwdriver to unlock the second cover of your key holding system. If you unlock this, you are able to remove the cover immediately. It is a little bit tricky, but you can handle this. Oh yeah. There you can see on the right side, you can see the chipset. On the left side, you can see the battery. Now, remove the battery out of the host. Good job. And let's replace it now with a brand new battery. It is a coin battery, which you're going to get into the host immediately and easy. Next step is assemble or reassemble the chipset on top of your battery and place it into position. Push it back in position, smooth and gentle, because the locks there are only little plastic. That means take care of your pushing power. If you lock the system, reassemble the key itself and of course the cover that it is. Now you're able to get back to your Ford Cougar and open and close it by remote. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give them positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.